Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with another Amazon haul. I have finds, I have favorites. I actually don't think I have any fails, so it's a good one. Everything will be linked down below. You can also check out my Amazon shop for even more recommendations, and also my Instagram. I've been loving sharing finds on stories. Actually, one of these things I shared on stories when it was like a flash deal, so definitely follow me on there if you haven't already. And I think that's everything I have to say. Let's get into it. This was such an impulse buy on my part, but how cute are these slippers? I love that they're pretty classic. You know, they're like the classic brown slipper with the faux fur, but the little embroidered eyes are so adorable. I got these because they were on sale, and they are by that brand Saludos, which is a pretty expensive brand, so I got them for $30-something. They are freaking adorable. There's only a few sizes left, so if you want them, I would suggest getting them now before they're completely gone. I was saving these for another save versus splurge. I literally posted one yesterday, so go watch that if you haven't already, but I have to share now. So this blogger Instagram person that I follow posted this story, and when I tell you I ran to Amazon, something about those glasses are just so enticing to me, the Bottega ones. And I don't really buy a lot of glasses of DHgate, not for any particular reason. I just find that Amazon has a lot of dupes that come literally within days. So I got these. I got this set. These are the black ones, and y'all, they're so fun. Even Dante wears these, my husband, and he looks so good in them. And then I usually wear the gold ones. Those are in my car, like in the console of my car, because if not I would never wear them. Y'all, you get two for like 15 bucks. The quality of these, I can't even tell y'all how good and sturdy they feel. They feel like Ray-Bans. So if you're looking for that same Bottega look for way less, I highly recommend those. They also sell them individually if you're not into, you know, buying two, or you don't think you would wear one or the other. Highly recommend. I'm obsessed with them. This is my newest obsession, and I need to get 20 million more because I wear it so often. It's never clean. So this is a little seamless tank by this brand Colorful Koala, and I think I saw this on TikTok. Everyone was saying it was a Skims dupe. I've never really ordered anything from Skims, so I wouldn't know. Y'all, the quality of this for $20. I got this on Prime Day, so it's been over almost 2 months now since I've had it. You don't need a bra, which is a miracle for me. It's white, it's not see-through, it's the perfect length for a crop top. I've worn this to work out. I've worn this underneath overalls, which is what I'm wearing, and it's just such a good tank. It's perfect. It's like such a good basic. It comes in so many different colors, and I got a size small, and it fits extremely true to size. I also love that the armholes are longer. They don't like give you that little like boob right here. I'm obsessed. I cannot say enough good things. Okay, so these are the things that were on sale. They retail on Amazon usually for about $150, which to me is insanity, especially now after owning them. This is what it looks like. It's a two-piece set of these beautiful rattan boxes with glass tops. They're so pretty. I've been having them in my save for later for so long, and one day I was just checking out on Amazon, as I do, and y'all, I see that they're 50 bucks or $49, and I was like, no way. Immediately ordered them and immediately posted it on my Instagram stories. A lot of you were able to snag them on sale, but literally hours later I had to delete my story because a lot of you were saying that they were back to being full price. So I love sharing those quick Amazon deals, and these were a steal for 50 bucks. I don't know why they were so discounted. This is what the smaller one looks like. So they're perfect for storing pretty much anything. I actually stored Olivia's birthday cards for her birthday party in the bigger one, and it was just so cute. They make great shelf decor. If you ever see them on sale, snag them up. You can always return them if you don't like them, but I'm pretty happy with them, especially because of the huge discount I got. And then if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw that I DIY'd Olivia's smash cake, and I panicked because I did not have the supplies that I needed. So I Amazon Primed this huge, this isn't even all the parts, y'all, this huge cake baking type kit that came with everything that's on the screen and more. The cake was interesting looking, to say the least. It was my first time, but this was such a steal. I feel like if I were to, I don't know, go to Hobby Lobby and individually purchase these, it would have been way more than $30. I almost forgot to show y'all this. I spent all weekend organizing this pantry. I haven't even shown it to y'all because it's just so embarrassing. It was very much an afterthought during the reno, so it's just not very organized, not very practical, and it's not something we're tackling anytime soon. But I will put the little TikTok I did so you guys can see how bad it used to be. I got these containers from Amazon. I looked all over. I went through so many reviews and listings, and these were the best value, the best reviews, and the best like bang for your buck. Basically, you get 24 of these containers in different sizes. So these are the only ones that are not from Amazon. They're from Target. They're much better quality, I will say, and more aesthetically pleasing, but these are double the price. So no. It comes with these little ones. It comes with these that are a little bit thinner. It comes with all of these, and I even have like more leftovers, and it was less than $40, which is such a steal. I highly recommend if you're looking to do something similar to your pantry but don't want to spend a ton of money. It also came with some scoops, and it also came with labels and a chalk marker. I'm gonna DIY mine with my Cricut, but I wanted to show y'all because they're actually pretty good quality. I don't know why, but I got TikTok preppy teenage girls in my For You page, and one of them was doing a room tour and showed this mirror, and I was like, dang, that's really cute. It comes in different colors. Right now I just have it in my office shelves, and it adds a little like funky, you know, youthful touch. I don't know, I really like it. So I got it for 20 bucks. Like I said, a ton of different options, and I really like these little, I would call them maybe table mirrors. They're like not too big, not too small, and they would be also perfect for like doing your makeup, a little vanity, putting them on the wall. This one has like the little thing right here. So let me know what you think. Am I crazy for loving this, or is this cute? And another random decor item kind of. So I've been wanting to get into cookbooks and cocktail mixology books with cocktail recipes. So I saw this actually in person in Anthropology, I believe, and I thought this was so cute. I love the colors on the cover. It has this gold foil and then all the little bottles. I thought this was super cute, but the actual recipes on the inside are perfect, and I really want to get some more. So if any of you can let me know your favorite like cocktail recipe books or even cookbooks, please let me know, and I'll send one of you a little Amazon gift card, please. Okay, baby faves, or toddler favorites I should say, because she's over a year now. I don't want to talk about it. I do owe y'all like a big baby, like the first year recap, but for now I'll share these two things. So this is a stroller cup holder and phone holder, and if you know, you know the struggle of, you know, having somewhere to put your cup but having to carry your phone when you're in the stroller. And I can't even put it in with her because she will throw things out of the stroller. So I got this to solve that issue. It comes in different colors. It's really like $9, and it's a game changer. And I love that it has these silicone grips right here so the cup doesn't move and slide around. I will say it doesn't fit my 40 ounce, or I should rephrase, it fits it, but it doesn't hold up. It's too heavy. So this would hold like a regular water bottle and things like that, but anything like stainless steel that's heavy will probably fall through, or not through. I'm not really explaining myself correctly. It's just like it doesn't stay up. It starts like tilting, I guess. Anyway, the other thing is these, and these I mentioned on my Instagram a long time ago, and I've been meaning to put it on YouTube, but every single time I do find some favorites, they're dirty because Olivia loves getting these dirty. So these are Kite Baby dupes, and Kite Baby makes amazing bamboo, you know, quality baby clothes, especially these like zip up PJs. And I've tried like a ton of different dupes, but this one is to the T identical. So these are 6 to 12 months, super stretchy. They still fit her. They have the exact same little grips on the foot or on the feet for like the ones from Kite Baby do. They have the double zipper and they come in adorable colors, so you could get one Kite Baby onesie for the exact same price of 2 of these, which is so crazy. And she grows so quick that I would rather just buy more, especially because she gets everything dirty, than just like one, you know, good quality thing. So she's had these for months, since like April I believe, and they're still going strong. The quality is great. They wash really well, they don't pill. I put them in the dryer. I know I don't have time to air dry things, and they're good as new. The material is super similar, like that same stretchy material, and these are 95% bamboo, 5% elastane, so almost 100%. Obsessed. Highly recommend if you have babies, grandkids, know anyone that is having a baby. I swear to God, we go through these so much, so that would be an amazing baby shower gift. In yesterday's video, I chatted with y'all about Anthropologie bathroom hardware lookalikes on Amazon. Today, I have to give a spotlight to my favorite thing ever, these outlet cover plates and these light switch plates. Y'all, they're so beautiful, so heavy, look so stunning. I feel like they just add a little something, you know, and they're not super expensive. I think they retail about like $15 to $20, and they're amazing quality. I want to put them all over the house because I'm so obsessed. Another one, I don't know if I've shown y'all these before, but I'm obsessed. Like, I literally want them all over the house, but so far I've only gotten like 3, maybe 4, and 2 for my office. Here's another one. This one was super necessary though. This is in our living room, and this was empty for so long. Like, we didn't have an outlet plate because our contractor drama, so now we have this one. I think it's cute. Like, look how cute. I don't know, I like it. It is getting covered by this shelf, but it's still cute. I keep finding them. This is like, I'm playing a game with myself because I guess I've forgotten how many I got. This one is right by our front door, and once again, it just adds a little touch, and because it's like by the dining room, it's cute. It's also in that same realm of, you know, powder room decor. I love this thing. So I got a new doorknob for our powder room. The whole vintagey idea just kind of spiraled, or I spiraled, and I wanted to add a little something. I also want to put like a sign here, not like a chewy one, like a cute one that says like powder room, but we'll see. I also want to paint this door. Long story, but I got this little doorknob that locks from Amazon for $30, and it was like the most affordable one I can find, and I really like it. I don't think it looks too tacky or ugly, but let me know what you guys think. We still need to paint this door. And like, keeping with that same vintagey touches theme, I got this from Amazon, and it's very cute, I guess. Like, it's good quality and all, but it says you could either hang it like we did, or you could just stand it up because it has like a little stand. But as you can see, when you hang it, it like comes out. Like, there's no way to hide it, no way to take that off. So I don't really love it, especially not for this bathroom. Plus, when I look at myself in this mirror, it kind of creeps me out. I don't know. And it was pretty expensive, y'all. It was like $39, which is insane. But the quality's really good. I don't know. I just feel like I like art like that, like this, instead of with people, because it creeps me out a little, even though it's not vintage at all. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoy these, please give it a big thumbs up. It really lets me know to keep making them and that you'll like them. As always, let me know in the comments what you're shopping for. I would love to review and try out things that y'all are wanting to buy or you're on the fence about, so definitely let me know if there's anything I can review for y'all. I love you guys so much. I know I've been a lot MIA this month. I feel like this summer just has been non-stop things happening. So I mean, I say this and I know life is not slowing down anytime soon, but hopefully my YouTube channel will take priority for the most part. Y'all know hopefully that I love y'all. I love making videos, I love chatting with y'all, so I'm very sorry that I haven't been as consistent lately, but I really am making it a goal in September to post, you know, at least 2 times a week, to be more consistent, to reply to comments and all that. So I really do love y'all so much, and I appreciate all your love and support, and y'all always sticking around with me. It means everything to me and more, and I really love y'all. I said that like 5 times, but I mean it. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys very, very soon in my next one. Bye.